Groove is an incredible platform that we use ourselves. And I am so happy that Groove has come out because it is such an incredible platform, far superior to anything that we've ever used in the past. Now, the beauty about the Groove system is a lot of times they can combine the marketing along with the conversion through their platform, and it makes the sale much easier.
To me, the power of Groove is creating an automated, systematized, fully functioning business online.
Groove is not just one app. If you think about it on an individual app per app basis, you're not doing it justice. When you start to bring in the other elements that Groove allows you to do by simply being integrated all in one, that just opens up a whole new world of opportunities as a marketer.
They have everything conceivable that you would need for your business.
It's an all-in-one platform that just does what you need, right? I don't have to worry about 97 other pieces out there. I have so many different options. There's just so much flexibility in there that I absolutely love it. That is one of my favorite features of it, is just the flexibility that I have between the products and the builder.
A marketer thought through this. So they thought through the ability to have multiple upsells. I mean, it's just stuff like that you might not be thinking about depending on where you are in your marketing journey, but believe you me, if you do this longer than a year, you will be thinking about it. And Groove has thought about it, and they've done more than thought about it, they built it. So that's really cool.
One of the things that I've said from day one that I came into the Groove world is that the speed with which they're coming out with fixes, with upgrades, with updates is actually pretty phenomenal. I'm very impressed with the technology side of Groove.
I have to admit, I do not have a favorite part of Groove platform. I have two competing favorites. That is Groove Funnels and Groove Member. And part of why they tie in that favorite position is because they literally run my entire course business.
My favorite thing about Groove so far is the membership.
My favorite thing about Groove is Groove Sell, and it's because it's the app that makes me the most amount of money.
I love Groove Mail automations. You can make so many things happen, and it's magically done.
With Groove, you have control, of which servers' IP addresses you use to send out your emails, which I think is huge.
My favorite thing about Groove right now, and the one that I've used the most, is Groove Pages.
The templates and the speed to build, it's just like that. You can take your idea and your passion from idea, passion, concept to launch quicker than ever before.
Use the stuff you've been given, change the titles, change the stuff, press save and put it online. I mean, I just love Groove Pages. I think it's awesome.
I like the way the pages look, honestly. I like how customizable they are. I mean, once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to crank out pages. I think, good, clean pages are at the core of a good funnel.
Groove allows me to have multiple websites, access them all from the same platform, edit them all into the same platform. It's been very, very convenient. I am very happy with it.
Doesn't get any better than that.
Anybody at any age can make their own funnel, can go in there and do a website. And it is very easy, because if I can do it, anybody can.
You don't have to be a technical wizard to build a sales page.
I could do a lot of the stuff that I struggled before, super easy. I didn't have to have 100 different softwares.
It just works because that's the attention to detail that everybody's putting into the technology and into the interface and into how you use Groove. So our job at Groove is to make sure that it's simple, that it just works and you have no headaches, so that you can focus on changing your ecosystem, your world, and the people that are around you.
Mike Filsaime had a quote. He said that Groove will be the biggest platform the world has ever seen. And honestly, as the first certified Groove ambassador, I completely agree with him. We believe in this mission, and I can't wait to see that it's going to change lives just like it's changed mine.
I'm truly, truly thankful, grateful to the Groove family, to Mike Filsame, to everyone on the team
for making a tool that makes it possible for us to take our ideas and our passions and the callings that we have in our heart and put it together and offer it to the world.
It's had a massive effect on my life, my business, and I'm so lucky I found Groove. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Big fan.